There's doves eating all around my screening. Underneath the screening is grass seed. You can see where I put grass seed in these areas over here. Now all the seed I put down doesn't sprout. Some of it is just duds. So those patches you see of brown are where the duds are. But these doves are eating all around the screening. Few they try to peck through the screening, but they never make it, and they just end up getting off. But I don't chase the birds away now, because these doves and other birds are good for getting bugs out of the grass, like chinch bugs, which originally kill the grass. So now I'm happy to see the birds there eating. Hopefully they're finding bugs, chinch bugs, but they are not eating the grass. Now that I know this screening works, next time I get a patch like this, I'm going to cover the entire patch with screening, and I will have grass there within 2 weeks.